Unit 6, Listening 1. Activity A.
What are young people learning in school these days? Not as much as they should, some experts say. Why? Too many of them cheat. A recent survey in the U.S. found that about 75% of high school students cheat in school. They share test answers, look at classmates' test papers, and send text messages with answers during a test. And according to the survey, more than half of students also copy reports from the Internet. Our reporter John Chi talked to students and teachers about the problem of cheating at one school. Here's his report.
Hi, I'm here at Oak Grove High School to talk to some of the teachers about the problem of cheating. Wendy Smith teaches history here. Wendy, what's going on? Are students just dishonest these days?
Well, John, I think it's all the new technology students have now. You know, they all have cell phones now, and they use the Internet for everything. Last year, about a quarter of my students turned in final reports that they copied from the Internet. Then, this year, some of my students used cell phones to send text messages with test answers. I'd like to prevent students from using the Internet or sending text messages, but I think it's impossible.
I see. So, what did you do about it?
Well, I didn't want to believe it at first. I thought my students were truthful. All of the students received a 0 for their work. Don't they know they are only hurting themselves by cheating?
Thanks, Ms. Smith. We also have science teacher Don Quinn here with us. Mr. Quinn, do you feel the same way?
Well, actually, I'm happy my students can use the Internet for research. It's really helpful and easy to use. But I guess it can create problems sometimes. Students shouldn't copy reports from websites. If they do that, they miss a chance to learn something interesting. I don't worry too much about cheating, though. I think my students are honest. They know that cheating is wrong, and they know I don't allow it.
So what can schools do about cheating? Can they stop it?
I'm not sure. I read an article about what schools in other countries are doing. The article said that in one African country, the government canceled about 25% of test scores after students cheated on tests. The article also said that some universities in China stop wireless phone messages so students can't send text messages at school. And a university in Europe did a survey on cheating. According to the survey, a third of students answered that they cheated. So the university put cameras in all of its classrooms. I don't think we need to do anything like that at our school. It's a waste of time and money.
Ms. Smith, do you agree with Mr. Quinn?
Actually, I think cameras in classrooms are a good idea. We need to do something here, Don. Students need to learn that school isn't just about grades. They need to study and work hard. If they cheat, they're the ones who are going to suffer.
Well, thank you both very much. Join us next week for our program when we'll hear from some students about why they cheat and whether they think cheating is wrong. You may be surprised by their answers.